Where individual stock trading ideas are concerned, I would want to short Divi's Lab in the cash segment at 1,478 levels, holding the short position so initiated with a stop loss at 1,491, expecting to book profits at 1,458 or end of the session, whichever comes first. My second trade would be a buy in Grasim in the cash segment at 3,325 levels, holding these long positions so initiated with a stop loss at 3,301, expecting to book profits at 3,354 or end of the session, whichever comes first. In the future space, I would want to short August futures of ITC at 349 levels, holding these shorts with a stop loss at 352, expecting to book profits at 345 or end of the session, whichever comes first.
For today, I have two stocks, both long, starting with IFCI. Certainly is looking good to me. A good up move, good structure. Correction was there, got over. IFCI can climb to levels closer to 41 to 42. It might take some time. Stop below 38. The second stock that looks good to me is Ranbaxy. Ranbaxy, I would say, has seen a good up move yesterday after a good consolidation. The basic structure of Ranbaxy is positive. So Ranbaxy is climbing to levels closer to 590 plus zones. Stop below 568 on Ranbaxy should be just fine. For today, two stocks, both IFCI and Ranbaxy, both long. On the futures front, I prefer to trade Bank Nifty futures. Possible targets on the upside of 15,250. 15,000 seems to be a strong support zones on Bank Nifty futures.
We like cement space at this point of time, and in that I think Ultratech cement is one counter which is looking very strong. Since the inception of the series, we have seen almost 21% addition in terms of open interest, and stock has already seen 3 to 4% rise. So clearly indicating that a lot of long accumulation has happened. On technical parameters, stock has given a breakout on its inverted head and shoulder pattern. So clearly at current levels, one can initiate a long with a stop below 2560, whereas an upside 2740, 2760 could be the possible target.
I would be fully with Ashish on buying an Ultratech, so that is my first buy. Stop loss of 2567, target of 2730. The second call is a buy in a Glenmark Pharma, stop loss 668, target 720. And in the FNO space, I would recommend a buy in a BPCL, which is given a late hour surge, last half an hour surge, and a very clear breakout. I see more levels coming in, higher levels coming in. Stop loss of 584, target of 615.
In the banking space, we like Bank of Baroda. The stock has given a major breakout yesterday on its daily and weekly charts above 914 levels. And now I think 895 should be kept as a trading stop loss, whereas on upside 960 could be the possible target in next 2-3 trading sessions.
Well, for the day, we should expect Nifty to gap down, and possibly today could end up finally being a day when you got the dip to buy into. So Nifty support band of 7682 to about 7707, resistance band around 7749 to about 7772. Bank Nifty support band 14,931 to about 14,993. Resistance band 15,119 to about 15,181. CNX IT support band 10,319 to about 10,356. Resistance band 10,432 to 10,469. BTST from yesterday, IRB Infra was a buy with a stop of 248, target of 265. Tata Communication was a buy with a stop of 340, target of 375. And REC was a buy with a stop of 295, target of 312. JK fresh calls today. JK Lakshmi Cement is a buy with a stop of 270, target of 292. Bank of Baroda is a buy with a stop of 900, target of 960. Coromandel International is a buy with a stop of 250, target of 268. Exide is a buy with a stop of 159, target of 175. JM Financial is a buy with a stop of 37, target of 45. And Sun Pharma is a buy with a stop of 780, target of 810.